Whoa! This is our way off-roading on the way to Vegas from Arizona. This is crazy. We're off-roading. See? We're off the road. You can barely see anything. It's like too bright. See? It's horrible. Stop right there. Stop scratching the truck. The front. Don't hit anybody in the head with the iPads. Oh my gosh, I'll just get a fit. Seriously, your fault. Where's the rope? Oh my gosh!
What is that in the back? Oh, tree.
You just ran over a tree, man. This is off-roading. Never do this.
Everybody, hold on.
This is Brian. We're all in danger. Where are we going? Oh, we're in the middle of nowhere. No! Please, don't go back. Please, just either keep going forward or stay here. Right now.